Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Ever wonder what actually happens after a lawyer files a motion in court? It's not always the dramatic scene you see on TV. A motion is simply a formal request asking a judge to do something in a case. It could be a request to dismiss the entire lawsuit, to exclude a piece of evidence, or to compel the other side to hand over documents. But once that paperwork is filed, a very specific process kicks off, and we're going to break down that process step by step. First, the motion is officially filed with the court clerk, which puts it on the public record for the case. Immediately after filing, the next crucial step is service. This is the formal process of delivering a copy of the motion to the opposing party and their attorney. This isn't optional, court rules require it to ensure everyone is aware of the request and has a fair chance to react. Next up is the response. The party who received the motion gets a specific amount of time, usually set by court rules, to file a written response. This document is often called an opposition or a response to the motion. In it, their lawyer will lay out all the legal and factual reasons why the judge should deny the request made in the motion. They'll cite their own evidence and legal precedents to build their argument. After the response is filed, the party that originally filed the motion might get one more chance to write to the judge. This is called a reply. The reply isn't for bringing up brand new arguments, its specific purpose is to address the points made in the other side's response. It's a final chance to say, here's why their argument is wrong. With all the paperwork, or briefing, completed, the judge might schedule a hearing. This is where the lawyers for both sides appear in court to argue their positions in person. The judge will listen and often ask very pointed questions to better understand the issues. However, not every motion gets a hearing. Sometimes, if the issue is clear enough, a judge will decide the motion based solely on the written arguments. This is called deciding on the papers. Finally, after reviewing all the documents and listening to any oral arguments, the judge makes a decision. This decision is issued as a formal order or ruling. The judge can do one of three things. They can grant the motion, meaning the request is approved, they can deny the motion, meaning the request is rejected, or they can grant it in part and deny it in part, giving the moving party some, but not all, of what they asked for. This order is a binding command that both sides must follow, moving the case one step closer to its conclusion. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about how the legal system works,